people, welcome back to my channel. This is Adab and currently I am all ready and set to go to beach with my cousin. So I couldn't shoot the earlier video because I was so busy getting ready. My beach bag is ready and this is my outfit check. I need to go and pick my cousin up first and then we are going to the beach. We haven't decided where we are going to, like which beach we are going to. So yeah, I got this flower for my cousin. She just plucked it. Samla.
Windows time come to no?
12. I don't know which beach we are going to. Which is the best beach? Chahalam jumme minute.
Ada kata betul jong ada mah malah baju me okan
To at ani me na mi misa mi mam misa.
ma he dile jong ya not na jota. Mina se mi dong weekdays bendigi.
We came here at Belmont Forum to buy things from Coles, especially water and chips, and also we want to eat something because both of us are hungry and we didn't eat anything.
Red rice finishing bit. Red rice
Right there.
Bani.
Or having chicken biryani, squid, chicken. 아니 중국했어.
Kaya bomb ko niya si. Ay, chung ko. Gabi mo slap din ni.
Kille got me ice cream. Got the juru.
Cheyata demdemsa. Ni sendi bakchani ni me bum chemi ba. Gemlem be mazome. Chiladini bunga. Nire wa serudira. Love me to pay mazum. Sha. Chemendo mendo me. Cheyata nisim. Ya titi me.
I don't think I can get into the water.
So let's see.
It's very cold. And I hate being cold. Duma. It's such a wrong timing. Lo se ani beach ta joni lagi. Wrong timing, you know. I don't think we are going to get into the water. Maybe we are going to. Choosing yang ada mesti. Yo di beach park tu swimming kau juga mana ada gogon sepak bola. Swimming. Into the shower. It was too windy and cold for us to get into the water, so we decided to go to Berry Park to swim instead of the beach because it was too windy and we were feeling extremely cold. Not a good day to swim. And the name of the beach was?
Cottesloe.
Okay, I don't know. Cottesloe. Okay. So we are going to Berry Park in North Najuni, Mount Littleville. I hope the water is warm in the swimming pool because if it's cold then no swimming for today. Swimming costume so we go ya. Bikini game better chama na me.
Chama. Chudi tawite.
Me machinga jeans game with the michi do marugi. We are here at Berry Park. Time to go for swimming. Let's go.
You give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so
This is Berry Park. Hey people, so we are done with our swimming. I wasn't able to shoot any videos because we are not allowed to, so
Hi.
so we are going to Bhutanese right now.
What did you learn today?
I tried a little bit. Oh, golden hour. Golden hour. Anyway, back swimming back swimming long yeah. Like I knew how to float. Now we are going to Bunnings to get my things, and then after that we are going to Chili Panda lo mogi mokang chungine ji zagone ilate, so we are going there. See you. Here at Bunnings. Cut. Apa last time for you?
You give me butterflies when you
So we are done with our shopping, and now we are going to this restaurant called the Chili Panda. So Kili wants to have Chinese food. She wants to have kangchung, and I don't know what I'm going to have. I normally don't eat dinner because I'm on diet, but
Me neither.
I'll treat this as my cheat day and have something heavy.
last imeda.
colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies.
And the hot pot remember. And the blue is on it. Kangchung. We are done with our dinner. Now we are going back home
I've got you for tomorrow.
because we were not able to finish. The portion was too big for just two of us. So
Next time, come in group.
yeah. But then it was very spicy for me.
Really?
Yeah. Poteng.
Wasn't a bit spicy.
But then it was good. To namsami kebe ombachinde shimnime over. But dari tatu tinggal lap chimnde. Am chim kebe.
Anchi zigunoy naman na din na.
Hatelo.
Ano gawin na?
Going home. It was good. It was a good day to die. Currently it's 7:30 p.m. So I'll probably reach my house at around 9, I think. So I got back home after dropping Kinley to her place and got myself into my PJs, and I'm going to wash my face, do my night skincare routine and get my beauty sleep. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you look forward to all my upcoming videos. Take care, and I love you guys. Bye bye.